In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove background theme or wallpaper background from Google Chrome browser. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. This process starts from the main Chrome window, so make sure Chrome is fully open and ready to use. Once Chrome is open, look for the Customize Chrome option. This is the place where Google Chrome lets you change the appearance of your browser, including the background image, color style, and theme settings. Click on Customize Chrome to open the customization panel. After that, select the Theme section. This is where Chrome stores the visual options for your browser background and overall style. If your goal is to remove a wallpaper-style background, this area is important because it allows you to switch away from a custom image or themed appearance. Now you will see several visual options. You can choose from preset colors if you want a simpler and cleaner appearance without a photo background. You may also see a gallery of backgrounds. If a background image is currently active, this is where you can change it by selecting a different visual style. In some cases, using a plain color theme is the easiest way to remove the wallpaper effect and return Chrome to a more minimal look. You may also notice an option to upload an image. That setting is useful if you want to use your own photo later. But if your goal is to remove the current background, you will want to avoid applying another image unless that is part of the look you want. A simple color selection is usually the best choice for a clean result. As you make changes, Chrome will normally preview them right away, so you can immediately see how the browser looks. If the background image disappears and the browser switches to a solid color or simpler theme, then the wallpaper has been successfully removed. That covers everything you need to know.